Hi, hello, welcome to my new video. In this video, we are going to unbox a Centy Toy mini transporter. So let's unbox it. This is the toy, it's the TUF07. But this is actually a toy of Tata Motors 407. It's a heavy duty vehicle. This toy has a MRP of rupees 346 and it also has an openable tailgate. So let's unbox it. Oh, marvelous! It looks so realistic. It also has a Delhi number plate, and this toy is in blue color. It is also available in white and yellow colors. You can choose which you want. This toy has a big space for cargo and space for luggage carrier. This thing. Now let's open this tailgate. Wow, it looks so realistic. It's awesome. Now let's see the front side. I added a Tata emblem so it looks realistic. Anyway, without an emblem also it's realistic. This is a made in India product manufactured by Centy Toys. I don't know why it's written turbo power, but the chassis looks so good. This is a right hand drive toy and has a driver inside. This is a pullback action toy. So if you like the video, please click on the like button, share my videos, subscribe my channel for more new videos, click on the bell button to get notification of my new videos. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed the video. So till our next video, bye.